It is August 9th, 2016, approximately 6:30 in the morning. We're standing outside the south wall of the pool house outdoor. I wanted to show you the water that is at the base of the building. Tripping over the gutter here. The water at the base of the building. This water, which goes the whole length of the building, drips down from up here, from the underside of the roof. Understand, there's a gutter here. The gutter catches all water from the exterior of the roof. The water on the ground here is coming from this opening behind the fascia that the gutter is attached to, which goes directly into the pool room and is completely unsealed. What this is where the plastic roof terminates at the south end, and water drips from inside the pool house outside the pool house, this demonstrating that the roof is not actually sealed to the building.